hi people, Simon speaking. You can do the same when you want to move an object. For example, I made a clockwise rotation. So when you want to manipulate to move only corner of the entire object, because in Blender you can do the same second shot the door of the polygon object, but you can do similar stuff in Krita. So I can move so I can rotate entire object. Uh, for example, you can see that black cursor, so you can move it to bottom of this. So you can move your object like that. Okay, let's check because I must see what I'm doing. Actually, um, edit copy, create blank frame, because I need to paste into active layer. And let's select once again because we have similar copies of the same object. So you can rotate clockwise your object a little bit. When you place cursor here, because I wanted to create a whole character moving like that, so he will be touching the floor. So now you can see it is moving, but I have to create I have to draw border of the wall. This must be closer. So it looks like movement. And you can see my animation. It can be very useful. For example, let's copy this because we can still copy. Create blank frame. Copy keyframes. Paste keyframes. So we have the same copy here. But you can still modify this object. Now we will only animate our character, rotating his top body. I have to draw line once again. Another thing, make sure you select a preview option fast, not this, because it will work slow. Choose the option fast. And now we will place our cursor here. Point of interest. So you can see our character. I didn't turn onion skin. So you can see I was moving a little bit. And I was thinking to do the same. I cannot do that. if I had done this, I would have to also change position of this item. But I think it should not be difficult. But I'm thinking to select, because we copied already one keyframe, so I want to select this. We will probably rotate not upper part of this body, what you see, but bottom part. Bottom. You can always draw. Okay, now this is looking fine, because this is what we wanted. I just have to fix my texture. My lines, I just have to fix my character. Now I can turn onion skin off. Okay, this is looking okay. This is what we wanted. Another thing is, I think it should be okay. I will play animation to show to you what I done. Oh, also keep in mind, if you do not want to have animation problem with playback of animation, go to settings, configure Krita, performance, animation cache. Make sure your animation cache is large enough, because if you have low animation cache, you will experience delay of animation playback. I done a video tutorial about that in the past, and also check if you see black canvas when you do animation playback, change some settings related to display. I don't know if I should I don't know if I should deselect this. You have options. I'm just going to if you experience performance issue, you can change settings here if you have black canvas issue. And let's play animation. Oh, sorry people, I forgotten to rotate canvas. Now we have also, when you rotate canvas, you can have smooth canvas, or you can, well, for example, you have snapping option, but you don't have to use snapping. For example, when you use cursor, when you place cursor on this black round shape, you have snapping option, but you can also use smooth rotation. Hopefully you will like my video tutorial. Let's play our animation to see the results. I still have to finish. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit too slow, so we can change animation frame rate at least 3. This is not too bad. It is a really time-consuming process, if you wanted to know, but I'm very pleased with the results. But make sure you move objects. When you do animation, what I did, when character is moving forward, I was moving stairs to the front. So you have feeling like he does walk cycling. Do not move character forward because this is my recommendation to only animate character in the middle. Actually, I done one mistake. I should have moved this here, not here. I'm still improving when it comes to animation, but I'm happy with the results and I'm using latest compilation of Krita. And tutorial should be cursor to selected. For example, I can check his head. You can do amazing stuff when it comes to this tool. When you see this cursor, you do the same. You do the same in application in Blender, so you can rotate your head in smooth way. But after that, select lasso tool and do not forget about that option what I showed it to you because I will show you what happens if you don't use that option. It can be slower. It will be slower. Okay, my head. What we got here? Oh, this head I can animate. So let's do the same. But now I will show to you what to avoid. I already have done video tutorial. When you select preview, do not use accurate because it will be much slower. You can see what happens when you use this. It can be sluggish. This is why I switched to fast option. The Krita will be much faster when you move separate items. You can see how beautiful this tool works. So cursor will be placed here. So you can animate only head. You can lift up your head of character. Okay, deselect. When I animate, I don't usually like ugly lines when I do animations, so I try to avoid ugly visible lines so your character will look clean and smooth, especially when you connect separate items. I hope you like my video tutorial, people, and pay attention on animation cache because it is very important because you will experience delays and you will not be able to see what you draw in second frame when you use the low value of animation cache. Do not decrease animation cache because you will experience playback viewport issues. See you guys.